Hello everyone, welcome back to Live Trading with Golden Girl today. Okay, thank you very much for joining in my stream so early today. Okay, so now you can see that from yesterday, gold increased steadily, right? It's to break the line, the border of this market moving sideways according to daily time frame. Okay, so now it's break out of the box and there's still an uptrend based on the trend lines I draw from this candle. Okay, remember this is the daily time frame, and yeah, the market has always support for the buyers. If you're swing traders or inter-trader, yeah, if you trade follow to the uptrend and have the good position. So congratulations for everyone that you choose the correct direction of gold. Yeah, it's always support for the bullish. Yes, and our mission is find the good entry zone. Yeah, not only swing trader but also scalpers. And in my VIP signal group today, okay, so we gain a lot of victories scalping signals. So you can see that I did a summarize on the on my channel, okay, about the winning rate and winning scalping signals. Yeah, okay, thank you so much, Tina, and yeah, we hope that we have another winning scalping signal today. Okay, so before I start my stream, that's in my VIP signal group, we already have another buy signal at the entry zone 24 to 25.5. Okay, so far still follow this bullish trend. Okay, so let's wait until the market set up for any good position so far. And yeah, you can see that now it's heading to the current resistance zone, right? 34.44, 34.44. And this is our daily time frame to see the broader view about the current trend of the market. Ooh. And let's go back to the smaller time frame, like 1 hour. Now this is the trend line you can see in the daily time frame that I just draw for you. Okay, and the smaller rectangle is the range, yeah, the price range of gold moving from yesterday New York session until today New York one. Okay, so this is the border of gold and it needs to break out before heading to another new 88. The highest level is around 34, 39, yeah, and the lowest one is 34.16. But now it's still heading up, yeah, based on the good entry zone around 25 to 24. Yeah, you can see that all the candles are still above the trend line and EMA, yeah, EMAs. So this is a very strong confirmations of the market when they decided to support for the buyers. Okay, so as usual, you will see my setup gold trading plan on your left side of the chart. Yeah, It's near to our entry zone of the sell scalping signal according to my gold trading plan. You can see that. $49 to $51. $49 to $51. Okay, so now go back to the smaller time frame. It just seems like moving sideways, and yeah, now it's heading to the current resistance, the level 34.33. Okay, and the current signal, yeah, that I posted in my VIP community is still active. Okay, so if you want to receive more scalping signal to trace for all day, welcome to my VIP signal group. And you will receive a lot of benefits when you join in my community on Telegram. And for my public community, yeah, my channel, you will also receive free scalping signal every day. Yeah, but it's limited for the numbers, just around one signal combined with my gold trading plan. Okay, so now we just wait for the clearer confirmation from the market. Okay, so as usual, we will check the Forex Factory calendar. Today is Wednesday. There's only existing home sales. Yeah, but it's just an orange news. Yeah, just an orange news, so it will not affect to the markets severely. Okay. Yeah, and it seems like yesterday we do not have any news, and let's check. Okay, tomorrow we will have unemployment claims and PMIs, PMI economic data. Okay, so let's see that it's gonna be keep on moving sideways and heading to higher border in today's New York session. Okay, this is very strong determinations on the market to support the buyers. Yeah, it just break the level, the previous resistance one by one. And yeah, do you still remember yesterday New York session? Okay, so price increases steadily, right? And it's break level 34.00. That is amazing. But this is the signal that the world economy and the war is not good. Yeah, everything is not good, and this is the reason why gold is keep on increasing. And you can see that gold is just moving narrow, getting more and more narrowed in the range in the daily time frames, as I just draw for you in the beginning of my stream. And yeah, but it's to follow the trend line. Yeah, so that is the reason why it just gradually keep on increasing. But we will have another, not only buy signal, but also based on the support or resistance. Yeah, based on the resistance or Fibonacci level. Okay, so that is the reason why I already set up the sell signal for all of the VIP members in my VIP signal group as well, so that we will gain both profit from buy and sell signal. Okay, so hi Pierce, what you're talking about on my stream today? Oh, I see that there's a lot of comment deleted by the bot. Okay, hola, hi T, welcome to my stream today. Add in VIP. Okay, you can send me a direct message so I can instruct you to join in my stream. And now the market is still moving sideways in this box, so let's see for another signal that is gonna be set up for today's stream. Okay, 5 minutes, 50-minute head and shoulders, bear's last chance. Okay, yeah, it's keep on moving in the very small range. Very small range. Okay, I guess that today we will wait for the sell signal. Yeah, according to my gold trading plan. 44 to 45. Uh, 49 to 51. Okay, 49 to 41. Okay, heading up. Okay, so let me read your comment. Free signal from VIP. Oh. Hi, Stefan. How can you claim free signal from VIP? Where you get this info? May I know where you get this information? Yeah, so today I started my stream earlier a bit, but the market moving sideways, so that is kind of boring. Okay, so we're gonna wait for it. Heading back to entry zone 25. Okay, so yeah, let's warm up the atmosphere together today by the first gapping signal by entry zone 34.25 to 34.24. Now it's heading to around 15 pips to our entry zone. Yeah, the market moving sideways, so we will bet with the market. And our further taking profits is around 30 pips. Yeah, 30 pips is the level 81, 28, 31, yeah, 33, and 39. 39 is the above border of this rectangle box. Okay, so you can set the limit order or wait or observe the chart real time with me. Okay. So I would like to delete this comment. Yeah, because that's not correct information. Okay, guys, let's focus on the chart. And yeah, I just posted the weight scalping signal for you. And good luck, everyone. We need to wait. It's touchdown. Yeah, to get a good position. Okay, so if we miss, that's just fine. Another opportunities will coming. Okay, so don't be FOMO for any time. Yeah, we just follow our analysis for the scalping signal. I opened a smaller time frame for you to observe the chart a bit faster. 25 is our crossover between EMA 34 and 89. Yeah, this is our entry zone. Let's wait for it touchdown. Waiting. Okay. Okay, so today there are not specific news. Okay, there's not red news, and the market moving sideways in my stream today, and now it's still heading down to the position. Okay, near to entry zone. Okay, so the entry zone 25 already active. Okay, 25 active. Remember to set the stop loss order from every trade. And if you want to enter a lot of layers for one signal, remember about the risk management lesson. And we need to set the stop loss for every layer. Okay? Anyone in? Yeah, this signal active already. So anyone in for this trade? No one? It seems quiet. Hello? 15 pips is running. Yeah, we have the entry zone 24.5. Okay, yeah, that's very good. Yeah, make some noise. Make some noise. So, okay, so now we still have the bullish reactions because of EMA 34 and 89. And if you have a better entry zone, you can close the bad one and hold for the good entry zone only. Okay, so this is a tip to make your account and your psychology less pressure. Hi Sadura, hi Timo. Okay, good luck to all of you. Okay, 20 pips is running from entry zone 24.5. Heading up. Okay, so of course this is gapping signal for you. Yeah, because I am novice scalpers, right? It still have the confliction between the buyers and seller at that level. Okay, so let's have hope. Another candle is forming. Okay, do not comment bad words, dear my friend. I understand your emotion, but do not comment bad word. Okay, thank you very much. If you do not have good entry zone, okay, you can lower your trading volume. Yeah, that is a tip for you if you enter late from others. Okay, so in a 5-minute time frame, price is gonna moving slowly, even though it's in the New York session. And 80% of the market is moving sideways, right? 80% is the market sideways period. Okay, so you will have another entry zone, my friend. So that is the reason why if you're late and to avoid the FOMO feeling and you don't want to miss this order, you should lower your trading volume, and if its price is lower than is decreasing, you will have another entry zone. And when it's heading up, yeah, it's bounce back, just close the bad position and yeah, just hold for the good entry zone only. Okay, so this is the tips for you. Yeah. Where is the time level? Now I observe the chart in 5-minute time frame. 5 minutes. Okay. Whenever the market near to the EMA area is gonna be sideways, and yeah, of course, have a conflict between the buyers and sellers at this area. It's like a battlefield of the bullish and the bearish to decide which one will be dominate the market. Okay, TP levels. As we are scalper, so 30 pips is okay for you to close a part of the trade and hold the rest to further taking profit. Yeah, around 30 pips. That is that is my general formula. General formula for every scalpers in my community. Done TP. Oh, it's just hit around 20 pips profit. Yeah, not touch to 30 pips. So Simon, your first taking profits is just around 20 pips. Why are we buying? Yeah, you can see now is below here is still have the support by 2 EMA. Yeah, EMA 34 and 89. Okay, so I guess your trading volume is kinda big, right, Simon? Yeah, because just small running pips profits is okay for you to close the trade. Okay. Still moving sideways from the below level. Yeah, the reason why that they're too near EMA area, and below here we have EMA 200. Okay, so this is the level and the support for the buyers. So we have a lot of conditions to set up this buy entry zone. And you can see that it's forming higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, it's forming higher lows here. Once again, what TP? Okay, so I will type for you my general formula about taking profits. Okay. Okay, all good. Yeah, now it's coming back to the buyers. 30 pips running for everyone. Close the part of the trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit. Yeah, okay, so that's just very surprising. If you're trading gold, pips is the knowledge that the most basic knowledge you need to know if you decided to trade gold. Okay, so this is very dangerous for you because calculate profit and loss will based on pips. Okay, we should learn everything from basic to advanced. Okay, so now it's heading back to the entry zone, and anyone in late for this current signal, don't re-enter for this one again. Do not re-enter because we have profits for this gapping signal only already. Okay, below here we still have another EMA 200, right, at the level 23. Looking for new entry at 34.22. 22. Okay, so you can do it. Yeah, just wait. Yeah, it's nearly to your entry zone. And our stop loss will the same around $34.20. Yeah. Okay, so hang on tight for the rest trading volume. Okay, do you try to lower the entry level, the stop loss level? Still I. Okay, so that is your decisions, and just make sure that you can follow the risk reward ratio, and that is fine. If you lower your stop loss level, it's gonna take around 60 pips. Yeah, for the stop loss level. Okay, so let's see for the EMA 200 getting active or now. Re-entry, I'm only using 0.07. Okay, so that's good. Yeah, that's a good control. And if you want to enter many layers for a trade for a single signal, yeah, you can divide it into smaller lot. Re-enter. Yeah, you can. So far that I still believe in the EMA 200 confluence with the trend line. Yeah, the small trend line in the 5-minute time frame. Now it's still support for the buyers. So you can consider to re-enter small lot, but with small lots once again. Hi Cameron. Okay, so that's just fine if you're beginners and you do not get familiar to trade in a New York session. You can use the micro trading lot. That's just fine. Okay, you can practice gradually, especially in a New York session, because we do not know that price will gonna blow or decrease steadily. We don't know. And now the market is moving sideways, so it's time for you to practice your psychology in trading. Yeah. and don't get the profit. Yeah, big numbers lure you. Okay, that's a trap. Just practice, and when you get confident, you will decide to increase your trading volume. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah, I'm very happy that my friends, especially the fresher to this market, yeah, you are disciplined for this trading, and be serious. Be serious when you start trading. Okay, just practice with a micro lot, and only when you get enough confidence, you can increase your trading lot. Small and steady. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now just waiting. 100 account. $100 account. Okay, for single trade that you're gonna lose. If $5 for stop loss level is around $10, minus $10 if one trade hit the stop loss. You can consider to lower it because $10 is kind of big for your account. If you want to enter for another entry zone, yeah, because you can see that every time that I posted the scalping signal, there's always a zone, yeah, not a specific level. So you need to lower your trading volume because your account is just $100. Okay, and if you want to enter more than 2 entry zone, you should lower your trading volume. Yeah, for one trade stop loss 5 price is just around $5 if you use the macro lot. Okay, I will zoom it a bit to see the candle getting bigger. Okay, so another tips for trading for any traders that you should set the limit of the loss, then you set the limit of the profit. Yeah, set the limit of the loss of a day trading. Okay, so it's better for your psychology and also your emotion when you trade. Okay, example. Yeah, that is just the small tips that I give you advice to have another better psychology when you trade. If you set up for the limitation for the loss for one day trading, that's better. Yeah, that's better for your limitation. Works well for you. Okay, so this also depends to your account. How much is your trading account? Trading yeah, live account. Because that 0.25 loss is kind of big. Total one lot max. This trading volume requires your capital more than $10,000. Yeah, more than $10,000. Okay, so that's very good for you to imposing closing a part of the trade lessons. Yeah, that's very good. Oh, wow, that's amazing. Yeah, what an experienced trader. Okay, so I would like to send you congratulations for this discipline and you get a good result. Okay, so keep this fighting psychology and go ahead. Good luck. Okay, so everyone can see that Siren, Sharma. Okay, I would like to call you Sharma. Yeah, you can follow the discipline when you're trading. Yeah, risk reward ratio, close a part of your trade when you hit around 30 pips profit. Yeah, that is a very brief lesson. Yeah, general lessons that every scalper need to know, right? And yeah, that is the actual result. Yeah, actual result you can see if you be disciplined. From $100, now she have 25,000. That's amazing. Congratulations for you once again. Over 2 years, that requires a lot of willing, yeah, determinations, willing, discipline. Yeah, of course, she cannot lack of discipline. Well done. Yeah, so you can say that discipline is the keys of success, right? Key of success in trading is discipline. Follow the risk reward ratio, and you need to cut. Yeah, you need to cut the trade when it hits stop loss. Do not lower your stop loss level when price go against to your analysis. Yeah, don't try to do it. Discipline, discipline. over layering. I understand. Yeah, this attractiveness of a lot of layering. It calls your passion. Yeah, it's called like addicted. Yeah, addicted. Because you will see the numbers, the money keep on increasing when it's follow your analysis, right? Yeah, you get high dopamine when money just keep on increasing. But when it go against, can you imagine the consequence? Yeah, and mostly that it will not luck. It will not luck if we trade with many layers, because that time is our psychology is very stressful, right? And we cannot control everything so well. Okay, so Sharma today she shared a lot of valuable experience for all of us. Okay, so that is the reason why, another reason that I very love when we have stream together. Yeah, we have the mutual stories about each other, right? Not only my experience but also another friends. So don't be doing overlaying anymore, overlayering anymore. Okay, just follow enough entry zone. And if you really want to do it, use the smallest trading lot. Yeah, use the macro lot. If you're really addicted to entering a lot of layers. Is that okay for you, Dina? Yeah, I just want you get better in your trading journey. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, entering a lot of layers really make us addicted. Yeah, I know that feeling when you just click continuously to the screen. Yeah, to the screen of phone, click, right? Okay, so you can consider to have another buy signal at around 21 to 20. Confluence with trend line, confluence with the EMA 89. Yeah, EMA 89. Or lot size vs account size. Okay, so that is the rule, 1 to 2% rule. But for me, 1% rule is for one signal. Yeah, not for a trade. Because for Scalper, we can have a lot of signals for a day, right? And if you want to lower the lossing level, and also reduce the stressful when you're trading, you can lower your trading volume. Yeah, that's just around. That's only just about discipline and how you do the risk management lesson in your real trading. Okay, so yeah, you can enter for the level 22. Okay, level 22. Okay, so I would like to set up another entry zone for you by 34.22 to 34.21. Stop loss is lower than a bit, 18, and TP will our same formula as above. Okay, sorry, I'd like to revise a bit about the stop loss level. Is that 34.17. Okay, so this is the second scalping signal for you today. is around to nearly to the entry zone, my friend. Okay, so we have entry 22 already. Remember to set enough entry zone. Do not let it more. Okay, so now we have both entry zone. Yeah. If it's heading to 22, you can close that bad position. Okay, dear my friend, do you enter for this new signal already? Oh, it seems quiet again. So I guess you are observing the chart. Okay, that's good. And remember to set the stop loss every time. Oh, this is the very big engulfing candle, but yeah, let's see that 3 minutes left. It will decide our analysis correct or not. Pray for it. Okay, so even though that we have a lot of conditions to support for buy scalping signal, right? But now the market just scared to us before it follows to our analysis. Yeah, it's always happen. Okay, so you can close the bad position. Yeah, hold for the good one only. Okay, do not enter a lot of layers, right, Dina? And if yes, just lower your trading volume. Okay. Ooh, it's falling steadily. Okay, so did you close the bad position? Yeah, 22 is gonna be the bad position. So please always remember for this lesson, because I'm not always be with you trading real time with you. So this is gonna tips to make you survive for every trade you are in. Okay, and this is just a very short sentence, so I believe that you can remember quickly. TP at 22, range 20. Okay. Yeah, so I guess that you have another entry zone around 20, right? Okay, so I will be here with you when the markets have more profit for this trade, for this second trade. Ooh, what's the close? Yeah, it just happened for liquidity hunting. Okay, seems like not good. Okay, close for this signal, everyone. Close it. Close it. Close it. Okay, so. Oh, wow. That's so dangerous that it just hit the stop loss just in a minute, in a second. Okay, just close the position. That's so annoyed. Just hit the stop loss and then it's reversed. But in the 15 minutes that this candle is between, it's kind of big bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so did you close for this trade already? Okay, close, close, close. That's good. Trigger all of the signals, his stop loss. We still have profits from the first one, my friend. Why did you say so? Only hit the stop loss for the second one. But yeah, today it just it touched to the entry zone 21 and then bounced back to 22. Yeah, just around 10 pips profits, but it's not significantly for me to calculate the profits. Okay, so no worries that I will have another scalping signal to compensate for all of you in the next stream. Okay, and it's time to say goodbye together. Time's up. Yeah, I will come back to my channel and my VIP community on Telegram. And if you want to receive scalping signal for today, yeah, welcome to a VIP signal group and my channel on Telegram. By click to the link that I put in the description box and it will link you to my channel. Okay, so I will continue to update the market movement on my channel. Yeah, thank you so much, my friend. Thank you and see you next time. Okay, next stream will be on Friday. Yeah, will be on Friday. Same time today. Thank you. See you next time.